Cell sectoring generally used to increase the coverage area for the and mobile communications. Generally, we know that the frequency range for mobile communication above 800 megahertz signals are used to transmit the signal and receive the signals. So this is for mobile communication. They are used to transmit the signal for mobile communication. Even if we go for general communication, we know that audio signal frequency range 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. And if you go for that is FM radio frequency range, FM frequency range broadcasting radio, that is 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. So these are the different frequency ranges. We know that. So above 800 megahertz signals are generally used to transmit the that is mobile communication signals. So here I can say this, why are sectoring in the mobile communication. The cell sites are sectoring to increase the that is signal strength and to increase the number of users. So that only we are going for cell sectoring and we can reuse the frequency channels. That is the main concept, frequency reused concept. So in this, you can see this here. There is a cell site is there. This is the cell site. So this is the cell site. So here, if you can say this, just assume this is the coverage area is till 1 kilometer. This is 1 kilometer area. It will covers. So, but if you want to increase the number of users here, I am assuming this cell site, is covers that is 1000 users. 1000 users. So here, if you want to increase the capacity, that is communication, this and signal strength, if you want increase. So here, the total cell is sectors into different sectorings. Here, this is the 60-degree sectoring. So this is the same. This is the 120-degree sectoring, and here you can see this 180-degree sectoring also there. So with this we can increase the number of users here. So here you can see this after sectoring here. So here it may have one more cell site. It may have one more cell site. So here the users may increase and here also one more sector cell site is there. One more cell site and here also one more cell site is there. So with this the frequency can be reused. With this here 1000 users also can increase. Here 1000 users can reuse again. Here 1000 users are using this cell site to transmit and receiving the signals here. With this sectoring, we can reuse the frequency also here. For example, here just assumption only. Of course, the mobile signal frequency range is 800 megahertz. Just assume it is 93.5 megahertz signal. The same group of frequency is used in this sector also, 93.5 megahertz signal. And here also we can use 93.5 megahertz signal. But with this, the disadvantage is the handoff process, because while moving the user from here to here to that is this cell site to this cell site, so handoff may is required. Handoff is required here. So many handoffs are required while moving the user from present cell site to next cell site. That is only the disadvantage, but we can increase the signal strength and we can use the number of users. Of course, we need to uh, increase the number of cell site also. So that's why we are going for phrase that is cell sectoring in mobile communication. Original cell, the original cell, just assumption, just this is the sector. This is the coverage area, just assumption, but theoretically, so here this is the cell site. This is the coverage area. So with this single coverage area, we can use just assumption 1,000 users only. But after sectoring, you can increase the number of users with the 3,000. 3,000. Like this, we are going for sectoring. So and here you can see this that is quality factor for the uh, channel. Here D by R. Here distance between the two sectors, and R is the radius of the cell site. So always the quality factor is depends on the D by R. And these are the examples. You can see this. The advantage is we can reuse the frequency reused factor, and signal to ratio also increasing, and interference may be reduced because of the high signal strength. And but frequently handoff is required because while moving from one place to present cell site to next cell site, so definitely handoff is required. Thank you.